Cauliflower doesn't have to be boring. It takes on a wide range of flavors no matter what you pair with it. I'm spinning this around to find lengthwise what is my best option if I'm looking to cut this into steaks. As I'm cutting into this, you'll see that some of it falls apart as Mother Nature is going to work her magic. Every cauliflower head is going to be different as far as the stem structure. So as you can see, I'm about to pick this up and the florets are kind of just falling off on their own. But if you look towards the middle, you'll see that the structure is a little bit stronger, and you can take the florets and simply cut them down into smaller sizes. Maybe you're doing a stir fry or a salad. Super simple to get into. And then we can take the head, and closer to that middle, you're going to have more support from that root and stem structure there. So you can see everything's hanging on. This is quite thick. However, that's okay because there's a lot of moisture. You're going to season this up really well. It's going to cook down slightly. You can also take the florets and, using the FN Sharp chef's knife, cut this down into riced cauliflower. Now you can go really small pieces or a little bit larger for extra texture. It's totally up to you. All you have to do is rock your knife back and forth until you get the texture you're looking to achieve. Now on a baking sheet, I've placed a cookie cooling rack on top of it, and then I'm going to drizzle a generous amount of olive oil all across the surface area of the cauliflower steaks and cauliflower florets. Make sure you season well with salt and pepper. These can take on a lot of seasoning. Into a bowl with some jarred red peppers, I'm just taking an immersion blender, and you can totally put this into your regular stand-up blender as well. That's absolutely okay. I'm just going to go ahead and blitz this until I get more of a puree, and then add a little bit of white wine vinegar to it, salt and pepper, and an array of seasonings. I use thyme, Mexican oregano, and so on. Garlic, onion, whatever you prefer. This is going to flavor it up real nice and become a base to our pita pizzas. While the cauliflower is roasting in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes until you achieve some nice color, I'm just going down on these pitas with our red pepper sauce base. It is kind of a loose sauce, so only 10 minutes in the oven. It's going to tighten it up real nice. Then we're going to take that roasted cauliflower. We're going to place a whole steak on each one of these. Don't worry, we're not eating them in one bite. We'll cut them to serve. But then we'll go down with some fresh corn off the cob for kind of an elote kind of a feel. And then we'll dress it with a drizzle of the elote mayonnaise-based sauce, which is just some fresh squeezed lime juice and some mayonnaise, a little bit of seasoning with some smoked paprika and some chili powder, and then over the top with some cotija cheese, which is just a fresh cheese. It's absolutely delicious. It's salty. It's a nice contrast. And then we'll go down with some fresh cilantro as well and some fresh squeezed lime juice. It's really going to make things pop here in the flavor department. After we get that freshness going down from the cilantro, we're ready to cut and enjoy. This and so much more is on fnsharp.com. Please make sure to check it out.